This is my line on kicking poached eggs. I hope you enjoy it. We start with the basics of large eggs and quality bread for the toast. White or brown bread, whichever you prefer. Also there is ground black pepper, chili flakes and salt on the side. Himalayan salt is best for flavor. First, we melt the butter. We need to use quite a bit, as the pepper and the chili will soak some up, and later on we need to make sure the whole of the inside of the poaching dish gets coated in butter. More on this shortly. Once the butter has completely melted, we start by adding the ground black pepper. You can either grind the pepper yourself, as I have here, or use shop-bought pre-ground pepper. Next, we add the chili flakes. I'm a bit of a spice addict, so I tend to add quite a bit of ground black pepper and chili flakes. You can try different options with the pepper and chili. For example, you can use white pepper instead of black pepper. You could also try different type of chili. I used hot chili flakes, but you could try smoky chipotle chili flakes, or even add a little paprika to the hot chili flakes. Now we add a pinch of salt. I use Himalayan salt, but you can use low sodium salt, or rock salt, or any other type of salt. Cover, and allow the spices and salt to steep for a few minutes, to help draw the flavors out into the butter. Remove the cover and stir the spicy butter mix, and then cover again for another few minutes. Now we need to ensure the inside of the poaching bowl is completely coated with the spicy butter mix. This is done for two reasons. Firstly, and most important, is to make sure the eggs do not stick and break as you tip them out. Secondly, to coat as much of the egg as possible with the lovely spicy butter mix. Make sure you coat the poaching bowl right up to the rim. Crack the eggs into the poaching bowls. And cover, keeping the water at a moderate simmer. Now we can put the toast on. Hopefully you will time this so the toast is ready and buttered, at the same time as the kicking spicy eggs are ready to be served. Do a wobble test to see if the eggs are ready. If everything still wobbles, both the egg whites as well as their yolks, then they are undercooked, so cover again for a couple of minutes. In the meantime you can butter the toast. Wobble test is okay now. Turn the eggs out onto the toast. You may need to loosen them round the rim. Now you have yummy kicking spicy poached eggs on toast done my way. Remember, you can adjust all of the ingredients to suit your personal taste and even remove or add different herbs and spices. I saved a little of the chili flakes and ground black pepper so I could sprinkle over for a little extra kick. I told you I liked it spicy. I hope you enjoy kicking spicy poached eggs done my way. As you can probably tell, this is my first video of this type, so please don't knock the quality too much. I'll try to do better next time. If you try my kicking spicy poached eggs, please let me know in the comments and tell me what you think of them.